of God, and before you all to witness this marriage ceremony for Mtthew and Allison. And marriage is a time when a growing love is made public. On behalf of Mtthew and Allison, I wish to welcome you to this wonderful occasion. Welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Portland, and please enjoy the ambience. You're on the northeastern side of the island, population approximately 3 million, and in this area it's about 85,000. So, very lots of farming and tourism, but it's spread out very nicely. So we are glad to have you, and thank you for choosing our area to celebrate your occasion. So, Mtthew, I'm going to ask you a big question. At the end of the question, I will lend you this microphone, and your options are I do, I will, or yeah man. Alright, Mtthew, before all of us gather, will you agree to receive this beautiful lady, Allison, to be your wife, to live with her, respect her, and love her, with the promise of faithfulness, tenderness, and helpfulness, as long as you both shall live?
Yeah, man.
Okay, Allison, your turn. In like manner, will you receive handsome Mtthew to be your husband, to live with him, respect him, and love him, with the promise of faithfulness, tenderness, and helpfulness, as long as you both shall live?
Yeah, man.
Wow, wow. All right. May I borrow the rings, please? Okay. Wait for the box. Just give me
This man.
Your hands in her.
All right, any more? Good.
That's it.
All right. Matt, please take your ring in your right hand. Put your left hand together. Put out one of the left palm on the top. Want to repeat after me first?
Yeah, man.
I, Mtthew, take you, Allison.
I'm Mtthew. Take you, Allison,
To be my wife.
to be my wife,
To live with you
to live with you,
and love you
love you,
from this time onwards.
from this time onwards.
I promise to be understanding,
I promise to be understanding,
forgiving,
forgiving,
and seeking for your happiness
and seeking for your happiness
as we go together
as we go together
in love.
in love.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
to wear as a sign of my promise
to wear as a sign as my promise
to love and live with you.
to love and live with you.
Put the ring down, and then now you tell her your vows that you have for her.
Right.
You can read it or
First-
sing it.
First of all,
He's got to get
I know. First of all, I want to thank you, Allison, for saying yes to me in Hawaii and being my future wife. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here with you, staying here, doing this right now. I want to thank my friends from coming far and wide, and my family, and those who couldn't watch. My mom up there, my brother, my grandpa, my Uncle Bob, who's up in heaven right now. So I got this Hallmark card at Winn-Dixie, and I'm gonna read it off to you.
Okay.
Just kidding. It's a 25th anniversary card. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna read from my vows. All right. So the first time we hung out at Rockville, you rocked my heart, and I knew that you're going to be the one. The time that we're in Cedar Key on Christmas time, we didn't catch anything. We froze out there, You caught my heart. The time that I taught you how to ride a motorcycle and you crashed it. But you got back on it and we rode off into the sunset. The time that we went snowboarding and you crashed and I dragged you down the mountain and I appreciate it making it there with me. I know that you'd be the one to go on all these crazy adventures with me. I know that you'll always be there and always love you forever.
Wow, 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 wow. Give him a big hand, please.
Thank you.
All right, and Mr. Mtthew, all that you have said can't be amended. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. Your turn. Same to left hand. Turn it over. Okay, now look at him. I, Allison, take you, Mtthew,
I, Allison, take you, Mtthew,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to live with you
to live with you
and love you
and love you
from this time onward.
from this time onward.
I promise to be understanding,
I promise to understand you,
forgiving,
forgiving,
and seeking for your happiness
and seeking for your happiness
as we go together
as we grow together
in love.
in love.
Where you go, I will go.
Where you go, I will go.
Where you stay, I will
Where
stay.
you stay, I will stay.
Your people shall be my people,
Your people shall be my people.
and your God my God.
And your God my God.
All right, put your ring down and you can tell him your vows to him. You can sing it or you can
It's on
talk.
out. So we got little swollen fingers. Thank you. Matt, you are without a doubt the most romantic, hardworking, and sweetest man that I have ever had the pleasure of sharing my life with. If it wasn't for us meeting at Rick and Brian's birthday party and you trying to impress me with motorcycle lessons, then we would not be here today. Thank you for being such an amazing and loving partner to me. You're dependable, reliable, and always on time. You're fun, hilarious, and have dance moves like no other. Your calmness and patience is something I will always admire about you. I'm thankful and so excited to learn from each other and grow together. I look forward to building a life with you and being someone you can count on every day. You have taught me patience and what unconditional love is. I still laugh so hard with you that I nearly pee in my pants and I wouldn't want it any other way. Your hugs are tight and your heart is pure gold. I will love you, respect you, and be there for you during all life's ups and downs. I vow to be there for you in your times of need and when you need a shoulder to lean on. I will be your sidekick during all life's adventures, and I promise to never stop dating you. Just promise me you'll never stop being the life of the party and always keep me laughing. I feel safe, loved, and know without a doubt that you are who I belong with. I truly have met my perfect match, my soulmate, and my forever love. I love you so much, and I cannot wait to do this life together as husband and wife. The end.
So good.
All right, turn around this way for now. So then, ladies and gentlemen, marriage is not only the joining of the couple, it is also the joining of the families. So Matt's family, you're not losing Matt, you're gaining a daughter. And her family, you're not losing your beautiful daughter, you're gaining a son. As of now, you're one big happy family. Mtthew, as of today, your money is hers, and hers is hers. It's called matrimony. The lady controls the money.
Right.
So when you borrow, you repay. She doesn't borrow. Even if she said lend, you give. Money is safe because ladies are better managers of money. As of now, your best friend is each other. Okay? It is said that women, before marriage, we said some lovely things like you have said about it. But after marriage, the wives don't hear those things again. So please remember to say them one again. Tell her of her beauty, her walk, she's out of shape, or she did something. Wow. You know? And all of that. Okay? Matt, if you're wrong, you offer an apology. If you are not wrong, you feel that way, but she say you're wrong. Guess what? You're wrong. But she's never wrong unless she says she's wrong. Got it? That is very, very important. Now, be careful what you say, because it is said again, the female, her keenest sense is her hearing. So keen it is that even when you don't say it, she hears. She said, I know what you're going to say, and you don't say it. So watch what you say. Now, madam, it is also said, a man's keenest sense are his eyes. And since you are blessed with beauty, you model for him sometimes. And when you see that, wow, okay? And you say all the nice things, and you're, again, your best friends. Now, whatever you are good at, that is at work. When you are at home, she is the boss.
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah, she's the commanding officer. She said, don't put your shoes there, don't do this, don't do that. And be obedient. Okay? I enjoy you, man. No, this one, our adults, I'm going to give you this one in a Jamaican idiom. It says, Allison, that's for you. Don't rock shop. Don't rock shop. Simply right out. Ask a Jamaican to explain that.
I'm like wondering. I'm not.
You're not wondering.
I'm not following.
Look at
Who
the
wants
guy.
to explain that?
Look at the guy.
Oh,
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, this one caused trouble.
that's right.
Okay? Alright, so please.
I get it. I get it.
Remember, the customer is always right,
Okay.
and the customer have a right to be wrong.
That's right.
Alright? Now, we are going to pause and sign the document, and then we do the kiss.
Yeah.
It's very interesting that I asked him if we didn't have what we call a best man. He said, no, we have decided to be up here alone. I'm glad for that, because I heard about wedding that took place recently. The man was very nervous like Matthew. And when the minister said, you may now kiss the bride, he made a mistake
No, not us.
and kissed the wrong
He's not
person.
telling me.
So I'm glad that you're up here alone. Okay? Good. I won't tell you any further.
Oh, it's
All right, please come this way for me. Over here. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, inasmuch as Mtthew and Allison have exchanged vows and rings and have signed official documents, I declare from this moment on, Mtthew Raymond Winner and Allison Page Smith are husband and wife. Wow. And please remain together, who God bless, no man curse. And now you may embrace and kiss each other. No troops. Good. Wow, you're hungry. So, congratulations to you, Mr. Winner. Now,
Still not great.
now, guess who is the winner? She's the winner.
I'm a winner now.
She's the winner now. All right, so congratulations, Mrs. Winner. Anybody who fought you as of today, say hi. Mrs. Winner, show me the sign. All right, well, Miss Barbara, you come on behalf of the family. Yes, sing to her. Welcome to our family. Sing to her, welcome. Welcome to the family. And son, congratulations. Congratulations.
All right, so we're gonna see if Mtthew can find that dollar right now. Right. All right. He's looking hungry. Let's see if he can find it. I don't think you need a light. It's your wife, right? All right. The man is digging. The man is digging. What? Is that Mtthew nose? All right, all right. What? Mtthew found it. Mtthew found it.
soft. Heads up. Alright, here we go. Go for it.
Alright, let's see if we can catch it. Oh man, I guess no one is gonna marry.
No, the wind is so good. Blame it on the wind.
It's a win.
Forever. Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna do single, only one single lady? Let's see if she can catch it. Let's see if she can catch it. Remember, the wind is blowing. All right, we're gonna count down. She finally catch it.
Unfucking-believable!
She's a good cricketer. She's a good cricketer. Now on this. So while you're here, whining and dining, just gonna play some song until y'all just feel